Alam mo, kayong mga nanonood, dala na kayo ng popcorn, kahit ano pa. Wala ako, hindi magiging 3 sets doon ito. At saka hindi lipat ng channel.
Dinner on us.
Oh, you don't want to miss anything here because this is like an all-star game which you've always wanted. We thought of these combinations long time ago, ano? Nasabi, uy, finally, nangyari. Ito.
Oh, tama. Ikaw ang nag-wish nito eh. Itong mga gantong kombinasyon eh. Pinaghihiwalay mo nga talaga eh para match yung at least 2 teams
You
na
can
gusto
never
mo
be
maging
out.
all-star.
You cannot work with a teammate. Pero ito ang nangyari. Kinumbine ang UST, San Sebastian, and Thailand.
Ano kaya masarap pa yung concoction na yan?
Ito naman, Lasal, FPU, and all of the above. Get it. Mosi will need you to take us through some of the players that we haven't covered, but this of recent vintage nga naman itong Sandugo, San Sebastian. Roger Goroyev is the perfect guy to coach them. Oh, and the Army's on the board.
Well, Michelle Carolino taking first blood in this game. Let's take a look at it once again. Alam mo, ang nakakatawa si Ev yung game kung saan nandun si Rachel Dakis. First time niyang nakalaban ng FEU.
Oo, talaga.
First time ever.
So, nakaka-disoriento no, for a while, ano?
Sabi ko naman, di ba naka-green ka pa rin? Di ba
naman.
naka-green pa rin naman siya?
Yep. Tsaka, ilan ang naglaro sa Lasal dito?
Well, Alarca,
Yep.
well, si Alarca lang so far yung collegiate na naglaro sa Lasal.
But Michelle Carolino has been around.
Well, yan, isa pa rin yan, like Susain Roses. She has been around. Silang magkapatid.
Yan.
Of course, silang dalawa naman naglaro from galing Letran.
Letran. The setter of the Army is a tall lady.
Oh, Tina Salak. Long-time national team setter. At bakit naman hindi? Ang hirap naman humanap ng ganyang kalaking setter.
Yep.
And of course, if you have a setter as tall as Tina, it is such a big advantage, especially on blocking.
I really love seeing Jen Wally every time kasi tinatagalog ko na siya.
Ay, oo.
Jen Wally, kain tayong Shakey's! Family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Opo, kain tayo.
Yes
Sabi
po.
niya, yes po.
Yes po, yes po. Well,
did I just say delight to have here? And also, itong matangkad ng Sandugo, si Otaiwan, ay naglaro sa UST nung first conference. Member din siya ng national team. Siya ang pinakamatangkad na member ng Thai national team, actually.
And alam mo yung mga tao enjoy watching her play kasi lagi nakasmile.
Yep.
Tapos, sometimes, yung unorthodox sa mga tira niya eh.
Don't give her a chance to use the middle. She's powerful from there. Look at that smile. In the meantime, the Army wants to talk things over. Let's try to sneak in. Ito, bihira natin gawin. To sneak in on the Philippine Army.
Malakas din ang dati niya kasi iwanan natin guys. Walang bakit. Iba yung dun sa mga nakakalaban natin sa nakaraan. Laging umiron ng mayroon isang tao. Isang blacker lang. Yung iwanan niya dun sa kabila. Lalo ma-check. At least mabagal na.
One stop, one stop. Tapos tayo.
Okay, total naman All-Star Games, halin na natin ang FEU. Ito naman, FEU Makati. The newest campus of FEU is now accepting enrollees para sa mga programs na yan. Kung hindi pa kayo nagka-college, gusto nyo na umpisa o gusto nyo tapusin, ay nakita nyo naman yung number at yung website. Babalik-balikan po natin yan habang umaandar po ang ating coverage. What we know so far, Sandugo ahead, 5-1 here in the opening set. Carolino.
Oh, Carolino makes it on the second try. Taiwan asking the referee. Sabi niya, hindi pumasok yun ah. Sabi na ating referee, hindi, natamaan mo.
Feeling niyang kasamang bari, 4 touches.
4 touches.
This is like covering the Netherlands. Diba? Yung sa kanan. Si Coach Goroyev nagsabi sa akin na the Netherlands. O Taiwan!
Taken by the Philippine Army.
And Sandugo gets another point. It's 6-2.
Sabi lang man Michelle, tatry ko lang challenge ko lang.
Naman. Okay, Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League. So Taiwan from Taft Avenue. Salak with the set. The other Carolina snaps it, and Jose Rosas takes care of business.
Zen Roses, that's why you want her on your side. Ito naman ang binibigay ni Suzanne.
Must be a joy for Roger to get these people together. You know, really, ang kinikwento ko, pag ako naging mayaman, which will never happen, ako, yung Philippine volleyball team, sabi ko, kayong kukunin coach.
Tapos yung ano mo, yung mix-up mo, di ba? Meron kang in mind eh, na certain mix.
Ang manager ko si Tita Dulce, di ba? Pero ang liaison ko, ikaw.
Si Doc Ian, ano si Doc?
Si Doc Ian,
PT.
wardrobe. Wardrobe.
Ay, Maria. Oh, poor first ball. Poor service receive on the side of Sandogo.
But why is it an issue, chemistry? Let's say for a team like Sandogo, Mosi, bakit magiging issue yan?
Well, kasi syempre, alam mo, it takes also time to play with it. Yung lalo na in defense, on defense, yan ang pinakamahirap eh. Yung tinatansya mo yung isa't isa because you're used to playing against each other. Medyo mahirap yan pag kayo na yung magkakasama.
Wally snapped it over. There's Dakis. Wally is a tough customer. She's so accustomed to playing with us here. It's 8-4 technical timeout time. We'll take a short break.